Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable overlay on Discord. So what you need to do is go to user settings over here in the bottom left corner, and then from here scroll on the left side a little bit down until you find game overlay tab. It is under the activity settings section. So let's go over here, and here make sure that you have enable in-game overlay enabled. So make sure that this slider, this toggle is green. If you set this on, then of course you will be able to change the keybind that is used in order to toggle the overlay. And over here you can also adjust the avatar size. You can choose between large and small. You can change the display names, whether if you want them, if you don't want them at all, or if you want them to show up only when someone is speaking. And also you have display users, where you can set it to always or only while speaking. Over here at the bottom you can also decide where you want the overlay to be placed. By default this is of course the top left corner, and if you want to you can also enable or disable text chat notifications. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.